Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of e-commerce. First question is, which of the following describes e-commerce? Given options are option A, doing business electronically, B, doing business, C, sell goods, D, all of the above. So here our correct answer is option A, doing business electronically. Next question. Which of the following is part of the four main types of e-commerce? Given options are option A, B2B, option C, B2C, option C, C2B, option D, all of the above. So here correct answer is option D, all of the above. B2B means business to business, B2C means business to consumer, option C, C2B means consumer to business. Next question. Which segment do eBay, Amazon.com belong? Given options are option A, B2B, option C, B2C, option C, C2B, option D, C2C. Your correct answer is option B, B2C, business to consumers. Next question. Which type of e-commerce focuses on consumers dealing with each other? Given options are B2B, B2C, C2B, C2C. Your correct answer is consumer to consumer, option B, C2C. Our next question. Which segment is eBay an example? Given options are option A, B2B, option B, C2B, option C2C, option D, none of the above. Your correct answer is none of the above. Our next question. Which type deals with auction? Given options are A, B2B, B, B2C, C, C2B, D, C2C. Your correct answer is option D, C2C, consumer to consumer. Our next question. In which website global easy buy is facilitated? Given options are A, ebay.com, B, amazon.com, C, ypme.com, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, ebay.com. Our next question. The best products to sell in B2C e-commerce are. Given options are option A, small products, option B, digital products, option C, specialty products, option D, fresh products. Your correct answer is option B, digital product. Our next question. Which products are people most likely to be more uncomfortable buying on the internet? Here given options are option A, books, option B, furniture, option C, movies, option D, all of the above. Your correct answer is option B, furniture. Next question. Which products are people most likely to be comfortable buying on the internet? Given options are option A, books, option B, PCs, option C, CDs, option D, all of the above. Your correct answer is option D, all of the above. Thank you.